Good evening, students. Today we have to discuss the chapter number 4, inverse trigonometric functions. The inverse trigonometric functions, the trigonometric ratios taking inverse. So, the first of all we have to discuss sine inverse of x. This is sine inverse x. We want to know the domain and range. What is the domain of sine inverse x? Minus 1 to plus 1. And the range is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. This is very important result. There are more results, sin inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse also. But first of all we have to discuss sin inverse of x in the first exercise. Right? Exercise 4.1. Find the principal value of sin inverse of minus 1 by 2 in radians and degrees. In radians and degrees. The answer must be radian and degree. Right? First we have to find, let y is equal to sin inverse of minus 1 by 2. First of all we want to take, let y is equal to sin inverse of minus 1. Sin inverse of minus 1 by 2. Now take the sin inverse to this side. Sin y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Sin y is equal to minus 1 by 2. First, we know the domain and range of sin x. Okay, right. Sin x means minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. This is the domain. And range is what? Minus 1 to plus 1. This is the range of sin x. Okay, right. Already we know that sin inverse x, the inverse of domain and range. Okay, here the sin inverse of domain is minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, but the range is minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 of sin inverse of x. Okay, right. We want to know these two values, very important. Right. Sin y is equal to minus 1 by 2. And here sin y is equal to, what are the values of 1 by 2 in sin degree? We know that sin, this is a minus value, take minus outside. What are the value? Sin pi by 6, because 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Right? Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. And we want to get inside the sign. Sin of minus pi by 6. Because already you know the property in 11th standard, sin of minus theta equal to minus sin theta. There are two properties are there. Sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Right. Here sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta is there. Right. Now this is sin y. This is sin and this is sin. Equating the y value, y equal to minus pi by 6. The minus pi by 6 belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Because this is minus 90 degree to plus 90 degree and this is minus 30 degree. So minus 30 degree is belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Okay, the next sum, find the principal value of sin inverse of 2 if it exists. Let us take first of all y is equal to sin inverse of 2. First of all we want to check it. This value must be in the domain of sin inverse x. We want to check it. 2 not belongs to in the domain of sin inverse x. So sin inverse 2 does not exist. It is not belongs to, because 2 not belongs to minus 1 comma plus 1. Minus 1 comma plus 1 is the domain of sin inverse x. Okay, right. First of all we want to find the value to check the domain of sin inverse x is there or not. Here 2 is not belongs to minus 1 to plus 1. So sin inverse x, that means sin inverse 2 does not exist. Does not exist. Okay, right. So this is the sum. It is not exist. Okay, right. And we want to find out the another sums. Find the principal value of example 4.3. Find the principal value of Roman letter 1 sin inverse of 1 by root 2 comma 2 sin inverse of sin of minus pi by 3, and third one sin inverse of sin of pi by 6, 5 pi by 6. Okay, first let us take the first one. Let y is equal to sin inverse of 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, first we want to check it. Already I told sin inverse of minus 1, sin inverse of 1 by root 2. If 1 by root 2 is lies between minus 1 to plus 1, it is exist, or otherwise does not exist. So 1 by root 2 belongs to minus 1 to plus 1, because 1 by root 2 is the value of 0 point something. Okay, right. So here y is equal to sin inverse of 1 by root 2, and take sin this side. Sin y is equal to 1 by root 2, and sin y is equal to, this is the value of sin 45 degree. Sin 45 degree means pi by 4. We want to write the same sin value. Cos 45 is also same, 1 by root 2, but we don't write here because here sin and we want to write sin here. Okay, so sin y is equal to sin pi by 4. Equating the y value, y is equal to pi by 4. Also pi by 4 belongs to in the range pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. Finally we want to check the answer also inside the between the range. Okay, this is very important. First of all, we want to check the question also in the domain and answer also in the codomain or range. Okay, lies between the range. Y is equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 belongs to minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Right. And we want to find another one, second sum. Second one, let y is equal to sin inverse of sin of minus pi by 3. First of all, this sin inverse must become sin y. The sin inverse come this side, sin, or sin to come this side, sin inverse. Okay, right. Now sin y is equal to sin minus pi by 3. Sin y is equal to sin minus pi by 3. Here we want to find the sin value. Y is equal to minus pi by 3. Therefore y is equal to minus pi by 3. If we want to check the answer, minus pi by 3 belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. So this is the answer. The minus pi by 3 must be lies in minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Okay, right. And we want to find another one. Third one sum. Refer this one. And we want to find third one. What is the third Roman letter? Sin inverse of sin of 5 pi by 6. Sin inverse of sin of 5 pi by 6. Let us take y is equal to sine inverse of sine of 5 pi by 6 and take sine inverse to this side, sine y. Sine y is equal to sine 5 pi by 6. Okay. If suppose equating here y is equal to 5 pi by 6. Suppose equating the answer y is equal to 5 pi by 6, but the 5 pi by 6 not belongs to minus 5 by 2 to plus 5 by 2, because 5 pi by 6 means pi by 6 is 30 degree and 5 pi by 6 is 150 degree. 150 degree is not belongs to minus 90 to plus 90. So this is not exist, but we want to find the in between value. So how to find it? Here the 5 pi by 6 must be changed pi minus pi by 6. We want to change the 5 pi by 6 value pi minus pi by 6. If we cross multiply this one, 6 pi minus pi means 6 pi minus pi means what? 5 by 6 is there. And we want to find the value. Already you know in the 11th standard 180 degree minus pi by 6. Already we have to find the value sin pi minus theta equal to sin theta. You know in the 11th standard sin pi minus theta equal to sin theta. This is the value. Is same like this. Sin pi minus theta means pi by 6. So the answer sin pi by 6. Sin 180 minus theta is equal to sin theta, because this is the second quadrant value. So 180 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Now sin pi minus pi by 6 is equal to sin pi by 6. Here we want to write sin pi by 6. Sin y equal to sin pi by 6. Now equate this value y equal to pi by 6. This is the principal value, lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. This pi by 6 is 30 degree. 30 degrees lies between minus 90 to plus 90 degree. Okay. This is very important sum. So refer this sum. Okay. And we go to another one. Example 4.4. If you had any doubt, you can rewind this video one or more times and you understand very well. Right? Example 4.4. Find the domain of sine inverse of 2 minus 3x squared. 2 minus 3x squared. Already we know that domain of sine inverse x. The domain of sine inverse x means what? Minus 1 comma plus 1. And codomain is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Okay? Right. So this is domain. This is domain and this is range or codomain. Okay? Right. First of all, find the domain of sine inverse of this unknown value. So we could not recognize is lies inside or outside. So find the domain only. First of all, we want to consider in this value lies between minus 1 and plus 1. We want to find the x value only. So we know that minus 1 less than or equal to 2 minus 3x squared. 2 minus 3x squared less than or equal to plus 1. First of all, consider this value must be lies between minus 1 to plus 1. and we want to find the x value here. Take 2 this side. This inequality 2 must be goes 2 side. The 2 must become this side minus 2 and minus 1 here, less than or equal to here minus 3x square only, and less than or equal to here 1, and take 2 this side also, so minus 2. And minus 2 and minus 1, minus 3 less than or equal to minus 3x squared less than or equal to minus 1. Here 3 is there, so divide 3 on both sides. What is the value? Here minus 1 divided by 3 on both sides. Minus 1 less than or equal to what? Minus x squared, and less than or equal to what? Minus 1 by 3. Okay, and multiply minus on both sides. If we multiply minus, the inequality must be changed. If less than becomes greater than, if greater than becomes less than. Here less than or equal to, so we want to change it to multiply minus, minus and minus plus 1, so greater than or equal to plus x squared, less than or equal to must be changed as greater than or equal to plus 1 by 3. This is the biggest value and this is the smallest value, and now clearly we can write 1 by 3 this side. 1 by 3 first, less than or equal to x squared less than or equal to 1. If you want to change the value here minimum to maximum, so 1 by 3 is minimum right here and 1 is maximum right here, and change the inequality also. Right, 1 by 3 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 1. We want to find the value of x only, and here x square is there. Now squaring on all side, square root. The square root value means 1 by root 3 and less than or equal to, this is the square root of x means modulus x. If suppose plus x is also square, positive x square, minus x is also we have to square plus x square. So that's why we have to write modulus x less than or equal to root 1 is also 1. The modulus x must be right minus 1 by root 3 less than or equal to modulus x less than or equal to 1. So this is the x value, but we cannot write this type because there is a modulus and we want to find the x value also. One important property is that a less than or equal to modulus x less than or equal to b if then we can write the interval minus b comma a minus b comma minus a union a comma b. This is the important property. Already you know in the 11th standard, or otherwise now you memorize the property a less than or equal to modulus x less than or equal to b. Then minus b comma minus a union a comma b. So this is the closed interval. You cannot change the bracket also. Here same the property is here. Here a value is 1 by root 3 and b value is 1. Now we apply the solution. The solution is, the solution means x value. The solutions are must be right. The solutions are, what are the value? Minus b comma minus a. Minus b means what? Minus 1 comma minus a is what? Minus 1 by root 3 and the union of a comma b. A value is 1 by root 3 comma b value is 1. So these are the required solution of x. This is the 5 mark question also. It may be asked in the 3 mark question. So refer the sum. This is very very important property, and this step is also very very important because this is the domain of sin inverse x. Okay, right. Refer the sum and we go to another one. exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. Find the values of x. Find the values of x, Roman letter 1, minus 10 pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10 pi and sin x equal to 0, and Roman letter 2 is there, minus 8 pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to 8 pi and sin x equal to minus 1, and sin x is equal to minus 1. Find the value of x. This is the given information, and sin x equal to 0. Solution of first Roman letter. The first Roman letter, let sin x is equal to 0. Let the given concept sin x is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to sin inverse 0. So, x is equal to, what are the values of sin inverse 0? Refer the general form, x equal to n pi. This is very important. The general form of sin inverse 0 is n pi. You memorize this value. If suppose give sin 1 pi 0, sin 0 0, sin 2 pi 0, sin 3 pi 0, sin 4 pi 0, sin any pi value 0. So that sin n pi is equal to 0. This is very important result. Okay, right. And we want to know the answer lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by plus 10 pi, minus 10 pi to plus 10 pi. X is equal to n pi. Here, first of all, we want to give n is equal to 0, 0 pi. Put n equal to 0. The x value is 0 pi. That means 0. The 0 lies between minus 10 pi 2 to plus 10 pi. Okay. And 1 plus 1. If suppose gives n equal to 1, the answer must be 1 pi. 1 pi is lies between minus 10 pi 2 to plus 10 pi. And minus 1, give plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 1 means minus 1. If we give minus 1, that is minus pi. Minus pi is lies between minus 10 pi 2 to plus 10 pi. Up to plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 5, and so on, plus or minus 10 also. If we give put n equal to 10, the answer is 10 pi. 10 pi is lies between minus 10 pi to plus 10 pi, because less than or equal to value is there. So 10 pi lies in the value. Therefore, the solution of x is 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, and plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 5, and so on, plus or minus 10. The value of x are, this is lies between minus 10 pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10 pi belongs to. Okay. The values of x are, what are the values? 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, up to plus or minus 10. This is the solution. Okay, right. And we go to another one. Second Roman letter. This is the second Roman letter. Solution of second one. Sin x equal to minus 1. Let the given value sin x equal to minus 1. And sin x is equal to minus, take minus outside. What is the value of sin pi by 2? Sin pi by 2 is 1. We want to write here sin and also same sin value. Okay. So sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. Minus sin pi by 2 is also minus 1. Sin x is equal to sine of minus pi by 2. Sin x is equal to sine of minus pi by 2. Here sin x is equal to sine of minus pi by 2 means what? This is the general form of sin x equal to sine of minus pi by 2. And we want to know the general form 4n minus 1 into pi by 2. This is the general form of sin x is equal to sine of minus pi by 2. You memorize this value. This is very important result. If suppose sin x is equal to sine of minus pi by 2, this is the general formula. Sin x is equal to sine of minus pi by 2, we can write 4n minus 1 pi by 2. Okay, right. If suppose give the value of n is equal to, first of all n equal to 0. What are answer? Minus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 is lies between minus 8 pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to 8 pi and plus or minus 1. If we suppose we give plus 1, the answer 4 minus 1 3. 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 also lies between minus 8 by 2 plus 8 pi. Or we can change this value. Here minus 8 pi by, we can change minus 16 pi by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 16 pi by 2. If we cancel these two terms, minus 16 pi by 2, the answer is minus 8. And plus 16 by 2, answer is 8 pi. We want to check it this value also. Okay, right. If suppose plus 1, the answer must be 4 minus 1, 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 lies between this value. Also same, both are same. And minus 1. Minus 1 means minus 4 minus 1. If we give n equal to minus 1, minus 4 minus 1, the answer minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 is lies between this value, comma plus or minus 2. If suppose put n equal to 2, 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 1, 7, 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is lies between this value. Also give minus 2. Minus 2 means what? Minus 8 minus 1. Minus 9 by 2. Minus 9 by 2 lies between this value, comma plus or minus 3. If we suppose give plus 3 value, put n equal to 3, 4 into 3, 12. 12 minus 1, 11. 11 by 2. The 11 by 2 lies between minus 16 by 2 to plus 16 by 2. So, and we give minus 3. Minus 3 means minus 4 into 3, minus 12. Minus 12 minus 1, minus 13 by 2. Minus 13 by 2 lies between this value, comma plus 4. First of all we give plus 4 here. 4 into 4, 16. 16 minus 1, 15. 15 by 2 is lies between this value. Okay, right. And suppose give minus 4. Here minus 4 means what? Minus 4 into 4 minus 16. Minus 16 minus 1 minus 17. So minus 17 by 2. Here minus 17 by 2 not belongs to this value, because here minus 16 only is there and maximum plus 16. But this value will get, if suppose we give minus 4, that is the answer minus 16 minus 1. So minus 17 by 2. Minus 17 by 2 not belongs to this value. So we cannot give the minus 4 also. Only we give plus 4 only. We cannot give the value n is equal to minus 4. If we give minus 4, it is very important term here. If we give minus 4, this value not belongs to this interval. Okay, the solutions are 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 and plus 4 only. Here very important, plus 4 only is there, minus 4 is not there. Belongs to minus 8 pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to 8 pi. Okay, refer the sum. Thank you.